Jumpstart Your English. Understanding, Jumpstart. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss. Something that can really jumpstart your understanding of English idioms and phrases. We are going to explore the meaning, usage, and origins of the phrase, jumpstart. So, let's dive in and get started. The term, jumpstart, originally comes from a car-related context. When a car's battery is dead, you can use another car's battery to start it, which is called a jumpstart. However, in everyday English, we use this term in a more metaphorical way. When we say we want to jumpstart something, it means we want to quickly start or revive it, giving it a boost to get it moving or functioning again. For example, you might hear someone say they need to jumpstart their morning with a strong cup of coffee, meaning they need something to help them wake up and start the day energetically. Now, let's see how we can use jumpstart in different sentences. I need to jumpstart my day with a quick workout. This project is stalled. Let's have a brainstorming session to jumpstart our creativity. The economy is sluggish. The government is introducing new policies to jumpstart growth. As you can see, jumpstart can be used in various contexts, not just related to cars or physical objects. Understanding synonyms is a great way to deepen your understanding of a word. Some synonyms for jumpstart include boost, to increase or improve something; stimulate, to encourage or help something to grow or develop; revitalize, to give new life or energy to something; rejuvenate, to make something look or feel younger, fresher, or more lively. And that's a wrap on Jumpstart. We hope this video has helped to clarify the meaning and usage of this useful phrase. Remember, learning idioms and phrases is a great way to enhance your English proficiency and sound more like a native speaker. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and informative English learning content. See you in the next video, and keep on learning.